Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch, and as you can see here, obviously, we are going to test, okay, and we are going to check the health functions of the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch, particularly the heart rate as well as the blood pressure monitoring. So we are going to check it and compare it with our Omron medical grade blood pressure and heart rate monitoring device here. Okay, so stay tuned as we will test and show you if the results of the smartwatch, okay, compared with the results of Omron is almost close, okay, when it comes to the sensor or results. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, the blood pressure now is set up properly, so let's check if we'll have a good results for our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. So let's check first our blood pressure with a Omron medical grade device. Okay, okay, so let's wait. Okay, it's now pumping air. Later on, we are going to compare it, okay, simultaneously with our smartwatch. Okay, so just wait. And it's now monitoring our blood pressure as well as heart rate. Okay, so we have 129/83, okay, with 77 beats per minute. Okay, so let's check it with our smartwatch. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. Okay, so let me set it properly. Okay, so we already set it properly, so let's check. Okay, where's the heart rate here? Let's go first with the heart rate. Okay, so we have here the HR. So let's see. Again, remember we have 77. Okay, so let's check. And we have the results here. 78, 79, 77. Okay. Let's wait. I don't know, it has been set to continuous heart rate monitoring or not. Okay, let me check on the support app. Okay, so we have 80. Okay, not that far from our, let me show you, 77 result. Okay, so let's check our blood pressure. Okay, 129/83. So let's see. Again, we are going to check it again. Okay, simultaneously with our Omron here and our smartwatch. Okay, so we have 125, 124/80. Let's see. So far, it's not that far from the results of our Omron. And I guess this is our data here. It's around 120 and 79. Okay, so we have 122/79. Okay, it's not that far. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, So let's have a simultaneous monitoring. Okay. So let's remove it. Let's remove it. Okay. So again, for the blood pressure, okay, before I forget, okay. So when you tap on it, okay, and if you are not wearing it, it will notify you that you are not wearing the smartwatch properly, as you can see here. So it is not just a random sensor here or fixed sensor. It really is checking whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so let's have a simultaneous monitoring. I am more interested on this. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. So we have our smartwatch. Okay, I'm going to monitor it now. Tap on it. Let's go back first. Okay, so let's see. It's now checking. Okay, it's dropping. Let's see, it's almost done with our Omron. So 125/84. We have here 121/78. Okay, so as you can see here, it's almost close. Okay, and we have this 79 heart rate. Okay, so let's check here for our heart rate. Okay, so the blood pressure here is not that far from the results. Okay, so far I think it's a good result. Okay, it's a good sensor. Let's check here. 7980. I think the heart rate of this one is much accurate compared to the blood pressure. It should not be more than +5 or -5, I think. Okay, it's dropping. Oh, it's more than. Okay. Maybe there are some changes in our heart rate. Okay. 71. I expect it to be much closer. Okay. So let's try it again. And let's start. I want it to be simultaneous monitoring. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, it's in range of 80 now. So meaning, if the heart rate is not that close to our results here, the blood pressure results is much better, I think, or the sensor is much better than the heart rate. So we have here 83, 114 over 83. Okay, and as you can see here, we have a much closer results now. 80/83, just as we expected. Okay, so that is a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate and blood pressure. Okay, so that's it. So you see the results, much better than other smart watches. This is your Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, heart rate and blood pressure monitoring compared with our medical grade device here. So if you have any questions regarding the video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.